Okay, guys. So we have already done basic information about MBA and other things, and I kept percentage and percentile, the difference between these two separate, so that this is something which is applicable in all kind of examinations, right? So and trust me, a lot of students get confused between percentage and percentile. So what happens is people think that कितने परसेंट मार्क्स चाहिए सर, कितने मार्क्स चाहिए कि मैं पास हो जाऊंगा, दिस इज व्हाट पीपल आस्क. एंड देन व्हेन दे हियर कि हाँ भाई चलो कैट में 99, वी नो कि कैट में यू नीड दिस मच, एंड देन पीपल गेट कंफ्यूज कि अच्छा सर 99% मार्क्स चाहिए तब हम पास होंगे. No, that's not the case. So let us understand what it actually is. So let's see this now. So what is the meaning of percentage? ठीक है. So I'll be very specific, won't take more than 10 minutes, should be enough. Let's say, because I'm not going to take actual numbers here, these are all going to be random numbers, you need to understand. ठीक है. Let's say 100 marks का पेपर था, right, and you got 90 marks. Out of 100 you got 90 marks. This means 90% mark. खत्म हो गया ये. This is percentage. That's it. Simple है percentage. Let's see, understand what is percentile. In the same question, let's say 100 marks का पेपर था and 100 marks का पेपर था and 100 people appeared for this exam. 100 mark का पेपर था, so marks becomes irrelevant. So in percentile, the number of people appearing becomes important. In percentile, people who are below your score becomes important. So we'll discuss this. So out of 100, let's say सारे बच्चों को 10 marks मिला. All students got 10 marks except let's say you. So आपको 11 marks मिले. So दिखने में तो मार्क्स बहुत कम है. So each student, I'm not saying every student has got 10 marks. They've got either 10 or below 10. But you are the only one who have got 11 marks. So 100 में से 11 marks दिखने में तो बहुत कम है. So basically can I say 11 is the percentage marks you have got, 11% marks out of 100. But let's understand this. 11 marks. Out of 100 people, can I say 99 people are below your score? 99 people are below your score. जो आपको स्कोर है उसके नीचे 99 है. Are you able to understand this? 99 people are below your score. Now that is called percentile. So basically you are above how many people is your percentile. Now when I say यहाँ पे 100 people है, right? What if it is 1 lakh people, right? So we'll discuss this. So out of these 100 people, can I say you are above 99 people? You are above 99 people means you have got 99 percentile. You are, see, I've taken an example of 100. I'll take another example also. So you are above 99 people, you have got 99 percentile mark. आप कितने लोगों से ऊपर हो? That is the percentile you have got, right? Let's take example of 1 lakh now. Let's say 1 lakh people have appeared, right? And it's the same thing. All others have got 10 or less. Only you have got 11 marks, right? So which means you are above 9 students. Above, आप उनसे ऊपर हो. So will it mean you have got 99999 percentile? No. Your percentile is always out of 100, which means you are above how many percentage of people. So that's the actual meaning. You are above what percentage of people. Or when I say you are above, it also means your score is above what percentage of people. कितने प्रतिशत लोगों से आपका स्कोर ज्यादा है. That's it. That is the meaning of percentile. So can I say you, so which means basically finally मुझे percentage निकालना पड़ेगा, पर किसमें? लोगों के ऊपर, मार्क्स नहीं. कितने मार्क्स है वो रिलेवेंट बन गया. कितने लोग आपके नीचे हैं, या फिर आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड, आप कितने लोगों के ऊपर हो, आपका स्कोर कितने लोगों के ऊपर है, दैट्स इट. सो विच मीन्स कैन आई से इन दिस केस it's 99.999 percentile. You are above so many people, your score is above so many people. Now here, see, please understand, I'll give another example here. The example was easy, right? क्योंकि 1 लाख लोग था तो बहुत easy हो गया. Now let's take another example, right? 27,000 लोगों ने एग्जाम दिया. Now in this case I am not going to take score into consideration at all. 27,000 लोगों ने एग्जाम दिया. आई होप यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ एग्जाम्पल, आपका स्कोर जो है, जो भी स्कोर होगा आपका, वो आप 25,000 लोगों के ऊपर है. आपका स्कोर 25,000 लोगों के ऊपर है. दैट्स इट. दिस इज द परसेंटाइल यू हैव गॉट. How many people appear for exam and your score is above how many people. आपका स्कोर कितने लोगों के ऊपर स्कोर है, उसका परसेंटेज कलेक्ट करेंगे. परसेंटेज मतलब see, finally what we try to find out is percentage of the same thing. But when we speak, we say that you have got whatever percentile. So this will be approximately what, 94, 95 percentile. I hope you are able to understand. So this, see, percentage is dependent on marks. Percentile is dependent on relativity of marks. आपके marks कितने लोगों के ऊपर है, that is what is important. Right? So a lot of students ask, sir, क्या स्कोर आएगा, कितना स्कोर लेके आना है. नहीं, it's percentile is more important. Right? That is why a lot of people get confused कि अरे सर कैट में 98 परसेंटाइल चाहिए, कैसे आएगा, 99 परसेंटाइल चाहिए. जब परसेंटेज इट्स आपके मार्क्स बाकी लोगों से कितने ऊपर है, दैट्स इट. या फिर कितने लोगों से आपके मार्क्स ऊपर है. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. So that's as far as your percentile and percentage is concerned. That's it. Thank you.